the very next day, fourth day, he stopped going there because some machine problem is there. They may not work for us on today also. He stopped going 4 or 5 days. He stopped totally going to bakery in Dilshanagar from Ibrahimpatnam. Unfortunately, on that fourth day, they started producing products. 100 products are ready, but this fellow did not go there. Got it? Means due to lack of communication. So I want to talk about wait and notify in this program. But in this program is having everything. Synchronization is there. You can see synchronized keyword is also there. Everything is there. Unfortunately, notify wait we have not used in this program. That created a very big problem. Entire business will collapse from both ends. You can practically implement this for bolts and nuts or any mechanical ancillary industry or something like that. So regularly customer will come, a daily customer will be there. For example, daily he will be coming, morning itself he will be coming to city for collecting products. Unfortunately, first day products are not ready. He waited and left to his house. Second day also same thing happened, products are not ready. Third day also same thing happened. uh, Seeing this, he stopped going there on fourth, fifth, and sixth, and seventh, and eighth, ninth, 10th day also. Unfortunately, on these 4th to 10th day, they produced so many goods. Every day they are consistently producing goods. So business will collapse or not? 10th day, 11th day he went, and all of a sudden they are ready to give him 1,000 items. What can he do with 1,000 items? Expiry date will be there na? Of course, bolts and nuts it is okay, but if it is a bakery item, it is not consumable, is it not? So business will collapse. That is the problem. Now let us start understanding this application on the same basis. So whatever the code above, leave it. So execution starts from main method. What is there inside main method? You can see here. Yes, PC is a class. An object is created. So JVM will check for PC class. Is there any PC class? Yes, PC class is there. Any constructor in that? Any constructor? No, there is no constructor. So just an object is created. No problem. And have a close look. Some new tricky coding is there. Can you find an object here? Tell me. Can you see object in that highlighted portion? Hmm? Of course, name is not there. See, some objects will be there where you can believe that it is an object, but you might not be knowing its name. Am I right? For example, if you go to a new place in North India or something like that, sometimes you may be hungry and you may feel to have food. And unfortunately, whatever you like, it is not there. Some new kind of material is there whose name also you don't know, but you still believe that it is an object which can be consumable. Yes. In a similar way, even insects or something like that, which we don't know their names, but you can believe that they are objects. Yes, here also there is an object, but name is not there. But here, see, this is also an object, but name is there. PC. Here, object is there, but name is not there. No problem. So JVM will look for producer constructor, of course. Name is not there, but class is producer. Yes. So producer class is there. Yes, it is there. Implements runnable. Fine. Accepted. And is there any constructor in that? Yes. Parameterizer constructor. Yes or no? Parameterizer constructor is there. Yes. Parameterizer constructor is there. And what is the parameter? PC. Small letters. And what is the type of that PC? Class type. Class type. Class. PC is a class. Normally, you can see here some int or float or char or double, but they are all primitive types of data. But this time you are finding class name. Class is also data type. Don't forget, it is advanced type of data. Is it not? Advanced type of data. Yeah, you can go with advanced type of data in place of primitive type of data. That is class name, and its reference is there. PC. Right. So what is pushed into PC? You can see here. Yes. New producer constructor is invoked and you are passing PC. PC is nothing but PC class object you are passing, right? Yes. After that, what happened inside? See, this dot PC is equal to PC. That you know, I need not tell because this PC is having little life and this PC is having better life. That's why this refers to current object. Whatever this PC got PC object that is thrown to this PC. Fine. After that, this is very important. See, from here the actual story starts. Here also same story. Normally you have seen coding like this, thread T is equal to new thread like this. You are very much familiar with this kind of coding, but inside we never wrote anything, but you can pass some arguments also. So whenever you pass argument, parameterizer constructor will be called, thread constructor will be called. I told you, right? So whenever you create object, constructor will be invoked. And moreover, if I pass argument like this, comma, within double quotes, producer, and what is that? Start, dot start, sorry, dot start. If I write like this, you can understand what is happening. So you try to understand this code, because if you can understand this, you can understand this also. That's why I have written a comment here. See, what you are missing there, in the comment everything is there, but here you are missing something. That is left hand side. You are missing only this. Means the name is not there, no problem, but you can believe that right hand side is an object. Yes, this is an object, and you are moreover calling a parameterized constructor, is it not? Thread constructor will be invoked. Thread is a predefined class. In that there will be a constructor that will be called, is it not? So when that is called, what is going to happen? So when that is called, see, what are the arguments passed? This refers to current object. What is the current object? PC. PC means PC object, PC class object. Yeah, this PC you pass it. Means what is PC? Some data is there in PC. This is all pushed. Okay, no problem. What is that? We will see later on. Now, start. And the name is given as consumer. Sorry, producer. Sorry, we have to look at this code. Where is that? Here it is. We have to look at this code. And you are calling start. That thread, producer thread you are calling. This refers to PC object that producer dot start, and you named it as producer. You can name like this, you can pass arguments like this, and internally you are calling start method. Control transfers to run. Here is run code, you can examine. This is very important. So whenever if you know this tricky code, you can call start like this. See, start is called internally, semicolon is there outside externally. So it is a call, you are calling start, but what you are passing, producer object you are passing. Name is producer, okay, fine. What is this? This is nothing but PC. PC means PC class, this stuff you are passing there, all this, whatever it is. Okay, leave it. Control transfers to run. Examine code carefully from here. I is initialized with 0. While true, forcibly you are entered inside. True means gates are open, getting inside. Is it not? Getting inside. PC dot put. You are calling put method and you are passing I plus plus. What is I initially? 0. Post increment operator. Believe that 0 is also a product. Please believe as if 0 is like indexing. It is also an object. Some object is there. So what is our concept? Don't forget. Getting product from the city. In Dilshuk Nagar, there is a manufacturing unit, and producer is going to produce the product. 0 is a product produced. Put, you are calling put method. Control transfers to put. Where is put? Here is put method. It is locked. You can see locked. but you are getting, and what is pushed into n? 0 is pushed. I plus plus you are passing. And what is I? 0, right? 0 is passed into that. This dot n is equal to n. What is the meaning of that? What is that n? N is, the life of this n is very small. That is why you assign to that. That is not a big issue. Already you know the story behind this. Because this is n, that is also n. This n is having very little life. That's why you can give that to this n. And n is nothing but 0, right? Now you display that. What is the output? Tell me here. What is going to be the output? Tell that. What is the output here? What is the output here? Oh, you forgot. See again. So you called start method. Carefully look again. You have to reply this. You are calling start method, right? Control transfers to its own run method. Here is run code. Do you agree with this? You called start. Control transfers to run. Inside run, what is given? I is initialized with 0. Don't forget, I is 0. True. True means gates are open. Got inside. PC dot put. Put method you are calling. And what is the argument passed? 0. 0 is passed to put method. N will take 0. That will give to this n. Right? Background story. I told already this story. So n is taking incoming 0. Then now at least tell now what is going to be n? Put colon. You get 0?
0, sir.
Right.
0, sir.
Put 0. Right. Understood. So this is locked. Okay, fine. And the other thing is also locked. Okay, but both are locked, even though we don't know when put is called and when get is called, is it not? This is started, but we don't know who is fast. See, producer, consumer. Let us why not we take our issue into example. I am the producer, you are the consumer, right? Yesterday we missed class due to me. It is my problem, my mistake. Means producer is very slow. Day before yesterday, Sunday also I missed. Monday I have gone well. Sunday also I missed. Producer failure. On some other day you are having some other issue. That is your failure. Sometimes consumer is slow. Sometimes producer is slow. Got that point? So here producer is sometimes I cannot predict that. Who knows when I am going to stop class, when I am going to take class? Who knows when you are going to attend class, when you are going to stop class? Is it not? So that is the kind of gamble going on between producer and consumer. Any producer and consumer like that. If consistency ఎట్లా ఉండాలి, how the things should be. If I am the producer today, if I discuss a topic and you have to come and you have to take that. Tomorrow again I have to come with a new concept. No rest, no holiday. Tomorrow again I have to come. You have to come at the same time. Parallel గా నడవాలి. If I discuss today producer consumer program, tomorrow collection framework, topic number 1. Day after tomorrow collection framework, topic number 2. And you should attend as well. That is good coding, is it not? Daily you are consuming, na? Products are produced, consumer is taking them. That is very good. It leads to a successful business, right? But here what is happening? Both are starting. Producer started, but we don't know how many times. See, I will run this program, you can understand. Then you can understand a little bit more than this. Then you can go through the code and you can believe some other things in that. Compiled. Let us execute this. But I should very quickly run this and stop this. I forgot how to stop. Control C, I think. Yes. Oh, I missed that. See how many iterations taken place. And what you have to observe is, see here, what is put value? Producer. Put means producer. Get means consumer. Put is 0. But is the product consumed? No. Put is 1. No, not consumed. All put only. Where is get? Where is get? Where is get? Oh, here it is. On one fine day, that customer came. He's very lazy. He has taken all 29 products on that day. Got it? And again, he came next day. But producer is lazy this time, just like our classes, right? On one day I am lazy, on the other day you are lazy, like that. So again, got producer is lazy. So many days he is lazy this time. But all of a sudden, producer started working, but consumer is lazy this time. Able to understand what I am telling? See, producer is active till this point of time, and all of a sudden, customer came and picked 41 products, 29 to 41 he picked, or last time when he went, yeah, 29, 30, 30, 29, I think, yeah, 29 to 40, whatever product is there, he picked all of a sudden. Next day, producer is lazy, producer is lazy. Got it? Again, producer is active, consumer got lazy. Understood? That is the problem. This business leads to downfall. Is it not? So, that is a problem in this program. So now you can understand one more time. So both are starting in a similar way. Let us examine consumer code on the other hand. See, here it is. Here it is. Consumer constructor is also called. Yes, same PC is passed. Same PC is passed. Where is consumer? Here is consumer. Same story. Constructor, this.pc, same style. But here, yes, thread object is created. You passed an argument calling start method of customer end. This refers to current object. This is for your reference only. మీకు తెలియడం కోసం ఆ పేరు ఇక్కడ. అంతేగాని ఇదేదో పని చేయదు. The actual work is done by this. This refers to current object. Current object is consumer object, and you are starting consumer object. Control transfers to consumers run method. Here is consumers run method, right? So internally, what is happening here? While true, forcibly got in. PC dot get. So control transfers to get method, right? Got, but we don't know when which person is coming. We don't know when which person is going. We don't know. That is returned. Got it? Inside PC, get is there. Got it? Able to understand? At least little bit. See, very simple. Start run only. Entire show is run by start run only. So how we are starting, how it is ran. So whenever you call start from consumer end, control transfers to run. Inside run, internally you are calling get method. Control transfers to get. Here is get. But it is running race. We don't know who is fast. Sometimes producer is fast. Sometimes consumer is fast. They are getting in. But unfortunate things are going to take place. Now I will find a solution to this. ఎలా ఉండాలి? Some calling arrangement should be there, like wait. If producer has not produced any product, he should ask consumer to wait, and consumer keeps on waiting till notification comes. For example, see, your exams are there 1 month before, or 15 days before, or 20 days before. At that time you asked me to wait. Okay, I waited for a week. After that, you said, okay, you can take class. Immediately I started. On some day I was busy, couple of days. I told, wait for this day. You waited. Next day also I asked you to wait. You waited. That next day I asked you to start. I notified you. Yes, today class is there, and you are there. That's it. So same story here also. Next program I'm going to say. Let me open the next one. It's a solution program. The next one is going to be a solution for you. That is PC demo. Which one we have seen? This one. PC fixed demo, right? Fixed means solved. Let me run this, then you can understand. Now see. Right. ఏమైంది అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా what happened all of a sudden missed something pc fixed demo it should run anything went wrong false I said okay I might have changed code when explaining to somebody else it should come like this 0 1 0 0 1 1 like that it should come let me run again I don't know what went wrong pc fixed demo is it right pc fixed demo right pc fixed demo right let me compile again java space pc pc fixed demo okay pc fixed demo pc fixed demo yeah I don't know what went wrong in the past but here it came yes oh, I cannot control this wait this time I will immediately control this by immediately I have to click control c otherwise it will run away from me pc fixed demo right I stopped immediately so please check parallel simultaneous producer consumer actions even you can observe here also see 4455 6677 8899 got it 00 producer produced a product immediately consumer rushed and grabbed that producer produced second product consumer got that producer produced second one consumer got that see that is good business right same story now let us start understanding this program I think you understood with the output first of all of you what is the difference between the uh, unsolved one and solved one hmm? difference అర్థమైందా
Yes, sir.
yeah now we study the code this is the correct one the correct implementation of a producer and consumer small adjustment I made that is wait notify that's it see let us start from here again I'm starting so pc object is created jvm will look for pc class pc class is there yes no constructor inside okay no problem solved an object is created welcome and that object is passed as an argument pc class object is passed as an argument to producer constructor is it not jvm will look for of course producer object name is not there but you can believe that an object is created whenever object is created jvm will look for a constructor moreover you are passing an argument jvm will look for parameterized constructor pc where is that pc let us see where is that sorry there it is yes so pc is passed into that you know this code I need not explain that pc is given to this pc that object is given to that its type is class type advanced type of data no problem and you know this code also I explained an object is created for thread class and internally an argument is passed that is nothing but calling start method invoking start method on this object this refers to current object is see pc object you are holding right so control transfers to run method I is 0 same story same while true forcibly entered into the loop only one statement inside even brace is not required here unnecessary right I wrote okay put method is called I is 0 is pushed where is put here is put inside pc class locked okay fine no problem here see in the last program you are missing that what is that while value set Value set by default is false. False means you need not get inside try block. If you go inside try block, you have to wait. Producer need not wait. He can directly go into the action. Here is the action. Set right. This is the action of producer. What he is doing, n is 0, 0 is passed, but value set is false. Gates are closed. Don't get into while block. Inside while only try is there. Inside try wait is there. So this code will not be executed in the first iteration, is it not? So you come here, this dot n is equal to n, same code, just like in the previous one. This n is having little life, that's why it is given to the other n. Okay, other n is somewhere here. Yeah, it is there at the top. Yes. And then value set became true. Value set became true. That is okay. True into chudam. Wait. System dot out dot print. Put becomes 0. Product ready. Then see here. What is that? Notify. For this notification, the poor customer is waiting all the time. Is it not? Just students wait for notification. When groups are released, I mean, when government is passing a geo that so and so examination will be conducted, groups exam, like that. So when notification comes, consumer starts his work. So consumer till then may be waiting. Let us see at the consumer end also. So let us see consumer. Here is the consumer code. So constructor is called, invoked by passing pc. Let us examine consumer. Yes, consumer constructor is there. PC is passed. Same story. And then start method. Same story. But consumer, this refers to consumer run method is invoked. Yes. While true, you got inside. PC dot get. Control transfers to get. Where is get? For get,